16.
Tell him I'm here to see him.
Okay, wait, let me call him. My prince, someone is here to see you.
And who's that?
I didn't ask the person.
Oh, come on. Be silly. We'll find out who that is.
I'm sorry, my prince.
And you're still standing here. Please go find out who that is.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Good, go. Are you alright?
Why didn't you tell me about it?
Well, I'm sorry I didn't. You see, things will have gone wrong. You see, this secret has saved lots of lives. I'm sure you understand.
My heart is beating fast.
Oh, okay. Let me take you inside, okay? Huh? Okay.
What's going on? Huh? Are you out of your mind? Are you actually keeping me outside?
I'm sorry, sir, but I'm asked to come.
Do you know who I am? My friend, go in there and call me.
And what's going on here?
I've come to have a word with you.
Alright. I'm listening.
You see, I want us to stop all this squabble and shit, you know. I want us to have a proper conversation as man to boy. You get it?
Well, you see, I do not have a problem with you. You should learn how to be nice to commoners. Huh?
Well, you didn't tell me how to live my life, but that's by the way. You see, I want to invite you over to my palace. I want us to have lunch together next Saturday so we can at least sit down and, you know, talk about one or two things, if you don't mind.
Your palace? Are you a king?
I'm a potential king. My father, the king, died a few months ago.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry about that.
It's alright.
As for the lunch, I'll come. And I might invite my father to come with me. Who knows? He might like you and throw some business ideas, a business contract your way. Hmm?
More like it.
Good.
I'll be expecting you then.
Babe.
Yes, darling.
I need to go. I'm choking right here.
Hey, darling. You just got here. You don't need to leave. Alright, let's go inside and I'll keep you company. Come here. Let's go inside. Hey, shut the gate. Hey.
Oh, who is it? Anaye mete yanike. Oh, Jeze. Anaya bata yanamba. Ogo namba. Okwanya no wanyaka kapwe. Isika pwese no wanyaka kapu. Wayo, wadi kwego. Kai were wayo, ibo anaka kwaga. You gonna know. I don't matter. Get again, I don't want you. I see more get again, I show. Oh, who is it? Oh, who is it? Anaye mete yanike. Anaye mete yanike no. Oh, Jeze. Oh, Jeze. Anaya bata yanamba. Anaya bata yanamba no. Wanya no wanyaka kapwe. Isika wese no wanyaka kapwe. Nyaka kapwe. Wanya. Kai were wanya. Jeze. Anaya bata yanamba. Ogo namba. Okwanya no wanyaka kapwe. Isika pwese no wanyaka kapu. Wayo, wadi kwego. Kai were wayo, ibo anaka kwaga. You gonna know. I don't matter. Get again, I don't want you. I see more get again, I
Son,
Father.
do not let her leave this palace.
Well noted, Father.
Do you know why I said so?
Of course I do.
How much do you trust her?
Well, I trust her to an extent, Father.
So, can she keep secret?
I think she can. I think she can.
Well, the manager, the production manager of the flour mill complained about raw materials. So what are you doing about it?
Well, I got the same complaint when I went there yesterday. So I'm trying to make available raw materials. I'm sure they'll be there by latest day after tomorrow.
Did you try to call Mr. Court?
Of course I did, Father.
Oh, good. That's all right. I trust you.
So how are you today, Father?
Oh, fine.
Bad woman. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people, bad people.
No, ma. Ego.
Who give you a crown to wear?
What sort of stupid question is that? Go in there, get me something to eat, and be fast about it.
Are you sure you did not take the palm wine left for the prince?
And what kind of stupid question is that? If you can't do it, tell Mama to do it. And what is going on here? What's this? Oma. Who gave you the royal attire? I am talking to you, Oma. Will you get her from that place, go inside and remove those?
And why would she remove them, mother?
Excuse me?
You heard me clearly, mother. Why would she remove them?
Did you give her those to wear?
Oh, yes, I did.
Why?
You know, she's gonna be my wife, so I need her to start dressing up as royalty.
I beg your pardon. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. This is ridiculous. Wait, you want this thing to be your wife?
Mom, can you please take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? Look at her. Royalty looks good on her. Look at her crown.
Auntie!
Majesty.
Auntie! Auntie! Hey!
Believe we can say I'm Naija. You are crying. Do you have problem with anybody? Did anybody beat you?
Hey!
Talk to me now.
My life is ruined.
Your life is ruined? How? Do you have problem with the queen?
Oh, I tell my poor mother.
I don't understand. Talk to me first. What is the problem? I might be of help. Oh. You never can tell. Stop crying now. It's okay. Talk to me. Ego, talk to me now. What is the problem? Ego, stop crying like a baby and talk to me. I might be of help. You never can tell. Talk to me. Okay, you don't want to talk. I don't try now. You're sorry. Okay. You're sorry. Are you sorry?
Yes, my queen.
Where is Oti?
He left with the prince and Oma, my queen.
Open the gate.
Oh yeah. And you have no shame. Bad woman, bad woman. Oh yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people, bad human.
When I told you Oma was pregnant, you never believed me. But thank God you can see things for yourself now.
I'm still surprised at how Prince Obi found her worthy of being his queen.
This world is full of wonders. Some people can be too lucky. How I wish I'm the one Prince Obi found worthy of being his wife. I would just grow wings and fly.
You're talking rubbish. And how do you think the queen will allow that happen?
Whether the queen likes it or not, they'll certainly get married. Prince Obi is fond of her. I don't even know if I'm happy for her or jealous of her.
No, my queen. Prepare. You're welcome.
Oh no. You can't believe what I saw in the palace right now.
What did you see?
I want you to come and talk sense into Prince Obinna. He is trying to rob our respect in the mud.
What actually happened?
I just walked in and saw my maid Oma on a royal regalia. And when I tried to caution her, Prince Obinna came out and told me that he has decided to make her his wife. Oh no, can you imagine the madness?
Madness?
Yes.
What is madness with that?
What did you say?
I mean, the young man has found
the wife he wants to marry. I don't see anything wrong with that. Besides, we want him to marry quickly so that we can crown him the king.
Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say?
I want you to call the elders to stop him. He has to be stopped.
Why would I do that? I mean, he's old enough to decide on the kind of wife he wants to marry.
Excuse me?
Yes. I mean, he has made his choice. Why would I jeopardize his choice?
This is unbelievable.
Bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around.
Useless woman.
Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Every day, every night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise. They're bringing
Papa,
down.
did the queen say that Prince Obi is looking for your wife?
Cherry, have you been eavesdropping on our discussion?
No, Papa, but I just overheard it now.
You overheard it?
Yes.
Now look, if you are thinking that you will get married to that useless prince, you are wasting your time because, of course, you know, I will not allow it. Can you go?
Papa, don't you trust your daughter again? It's me, I don't want to have anything to do with that wicked Queen Asa and her son, no. I don't want.
So, what is the excitement all about?
Papa, Michael said that he's coming with his family after the New Year festival. So I just want the prince to get married and get crowned as the king. So that Michael will come with his family. Because I don't want to hear that Michael is getting married to someone else. So.
Ulako.
Papa.
I know you are a very smart girl. Well, tell Mike to be preparing, okay? We will be waiting.
Papa, can I drink?
Tell her to drop that thing. Can I drink? You want to sleep again for 3 days? You with a fish brain.
Papa, how can I? Just a drink now.
Just a drink. I got out, go and buy Fanta and drink. Okay. You want to drink stout?
No, you're not. Thank you, Papa.
Night, you're scheming, you're evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah.
What is it?
That girl is about to blackmail me.
Who? Oma?
You can't imagine what is going on.
What is going on?
Prince Obinna wants to get married to her.
What? How? Prince Obinna getting married to Oma? How did that happen? Hold on. Baby, that is good news.
Excuse me?
Yes. If the marriage is going to make that guy shut up, then it's okay. Can't you see that?
Mike, is that all you have to say? Come on, that girl is evil. Have you forgotten she helped us to actualize our plans? If she marries my Obina, my life will be at risk. Don't you get it?
You have a point. Yes, you do have a point. Sorry, I didn't think about that. Hey. So, what do we do?
What do we do? That is why I am here. I can't let her marry my son.
No, she cannot marry our son. No. That cannot happen. That cannot happen, baby. I have an idea.
What?
I do have an idea.
Say it.
See here.
Prince Obina, we are not against your getting married to any woman of your choice. But we are worried. We are worried because you are not saying anything about the burial of our king.
Well, definitely my father will be buried. Alright, and not just buried, he will be given a befitting burial. But that will be after my marriage. Yeah, after my marriage ceremony then. I'll give my father a befitting burial.
Things are not done that way. You must bury our king.
What do you mean things are not done that way? Was he your father? He was my father. You don't tell me how to run my life. I just said something now. My father will be buried after my marriage ceremony.
Wrong.
Why?
Wrong. Look, he was the father to the great people of this kingdom.
Okay.
Before he became your father.
Yes, and so?
Therefore, we have every right to contribute to his burial arrangement. So, we therefore implore you to please do the needful.
And if you don't do it, we will not follow you to your in-laws' place.
Who cares? Do I look like I care? If you don't want to follow me, then you go to hell. I go out there and hire elders to go marry my woman.
My elders. My elders, I greet you. Obina here cannot marry another woman except my maid, Ego, who he raped and got pregnant.
What? My friend, sit down! Obina.
What did you say now?
You heard me.
You mean you raped a maid? Ha!
Are you serious now?
My friend, just quiet. Ego. Are you saying that you are pregnant as a result of his raping you?
You stop asking her a stupid question.
Don't be aqua.
Hey! Did I say I raped you? You must be very stupid. Thunder will fire you. Don't tell me you people believe this nonsense you just said. Me rape this thing. Me.
Yes, you did, my dear son.
What?
You did. No thunder. Never. You did.
What?
She has told me everything.
And you believed her?
The CCTV captured everything. And you're going to marry her. You know the circumstances, right?
What are you saying, mother?
Obina. Obina. You are not getting married to any other woman except this one that you raped and got pregnant. So if you love yourself, go to her people and perform her marriage rites after the burial of her king. Chooses you. Una.
What are you saying? Oh no, listen, I don't know what you people are talking about. Oh no. I do not know.
One more step. I will blow your brains off. You don't have a choice, do you? Oh, I love this game.
Every day, every night, you're scheming your evil, forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise.
Uncle, you sent for me? Yes, see, drink with me. You want to kill me, just like you killed the king with a cup of tea. I am too powerful. You can't kill me. Oh, son, you're here.
I heard something. I'm sure I heard something.
Yes, she was talking.
I know. Same way you killed who? Say it again. I'm talking to you. What did you say?
We also heard everything. Interesting. Tell us more about it. How many cups of tea do you have drink?
It was the queen's idea. She asked me to do it after the king found out that Prince Achike and Odimgbe are not his biological sons.
What?
I don't know what she is talking about.
What? Mom, is that true?
She's not lying. The king told me everything. The name of the man is Mike. And she visits him at his hotel.
What?
Frequently.
Stop it! Stop accusing me wrongly. What is it?
Mom, you mean Mike is my biological father?
Son, no! See, this is a conspiracy. They are trying to take the kingship away from you. Aren't you getting it?
Negative. The king cannot lie to Princess Brenda and lie to me as well.
I told you it's a conspiracy. They want to take the kingship away from us. Are you going to let it happen?
Of course no.
Sure.
Then you have to come and swear before Urashi that you know nothing about the death of our king.
Not just that. You have to equally swear that Princess Obina and Achike are the biological sons of our king.
You see what I told you?
If you do not come to Olachi, Olachi will come to you. It is the time. It is the time.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? I am telling you, you have to believe I am your mother.
Well, Mom, if you ask me, I'll just say you know, you just swear to prove them wrong. Because I know deep down you didn't do it.
Of course I didn't do it.
Yeah, I know.
I can't swear.
Then after that, I will face you people. Okay? I know your plans. Mom, just swear. Swear, let's go inside.
My queen, just confess. Will you shut up? Will you shut your mouth?
Are you mad?
No. You don't keep the messenger of Olachi waiting. Take this and swear.
You see what I told you? I can't touch this. I'm a Christian. I can't touch this.
Mom, I know. I'm also a born-again Christian. But just to prove a point, okay? Come on. Hey, can I touch this? Hey, Mom, just swear. Just swear. Just do. Let's go inside, please.
See, I can talk while you're holding it, right? So.
No, just hold it, right? Very good. So, yes. Just hold it. Swear. Let's go. Very stupid people. You want to take my crown? Mom, swear. Swear. Let's go. Take my crown. It belongs to me.
My queen.
Know your plans. Go ahead, mother. Just prove them wrong.
I should swear?
What a million no. Swear. Let's
I
go.
know. All right. I swear. If I have a hand in my husband's death, may Orase punish me.
Very simple. So give it back to me.
Say it this way. If I have ever tried to or poison my husband to cover my infidelity, let Orashi punish me. If I have my son with another man, let Orashi punish me.
Okay, you go ahead, mother. If I ever try to or poisoned my husband, let's just do it.
You do this?
Oh, come on, just do this to prove this guy is wrong.
Do I have to? If I ever try to or poison, right? My husband, let Orase punish me. If I begot my sons with another man, let
Mom, the same thing you said.
Orase punish me.
So have you seen it? You see, you people in this community, in this kingdom, when you see me run, I know your plans. You think I don't know you.
Because I'm merciful.
You. Mom, don't worry, we won this battle. You're killing my mother.
All right, we won.
Exactly, it's worth celebrating. Foolish people.
We won. We won.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, my won.
What?
My won, baby. Yeah, we won. Check it out. We won. Nigga. It's all happened. Shit!
She does not deserve to leave.
We won. Yeah. I thought because I made this. We won. I told you that. Yeah, baby. We won. I told you.
What's going on?
We won.
Let's celebrate inside now.
Yeah, we're celebrating. This is our compound, our house. We won, baby. Will you shut up? We won. I told you.
We won, but you're overdoing the
I
one.
poisoned your father. I made myself a widow.
What?
You're not even his son. Hey. Oh, come on, sweetheart. You're so handsome. So handsome to be his son.
Who is it? And I hear me tell you, Nike. Oh, Jesus. I Anaya bataya namba Ogo namba Okwanya no wanyaka gabwe Yesiga bweze no wanyaka gabu Wayo
Tell me about everything I need to know.
What exactly is going on? Anything like what?
You planned with my mother to kill the king.
Come on, son. See, I heard rumors that they wanted to hand over the kingship to the so-called legitimate son. So I had to do the needful. It's for your own sake. Do you understand?
The blood of an innocent man is in your hands.
No, it's for your own good. It's for you.
Oh. Hello, my good friend. How are you? Well, let me guess. You forgot we were supposed to have lunch today. Of course, it's Saturday.
Well, I'm not in for my lunch date.
All that aside, you see, I have a surprise for you. My father.
Father, you are alive.
You came back and you never bothered to make proper investigation into what killed your father.
Oh, no, Father. I was carried away.
Carried away by lust and arrogance, I guess.
Father.
Hey, who do we have here? Nah. Jimmy. So, you're not dead. The tea poison didn't kill you. Uh-oh. You must be a big and strong man, you know. Hey! What's this? Father! Banana! Banana!
Go in there, pick anything you feel is your own, and go to your real father.
Please. You are my real father. You are the man I've known all my life. Please, Father, please.
Go to your real father.
Father, you now have escort.
You are under arrest for the killing of Mike Obeji. I mean, move.
But my family just came back. I'm trying to...
Obina, I said move, or I move you. Do you want me to move you?
Let me talk to my father. Father, you see?
Follow here. Follow here, please.
Father.
Father, move now, you're wasting our time. Father.
Ocheze Anaya bataya namba Ogo namba Okwanya roro no wanyaka gabwe Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame,
Oh God!
and you have no shame.
My queen! I kill you!
Bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, and you have no shame. These are bad people, sneaking around. Look what you've done, and you have no shame. Every day, every night, you're scheming your evil. Forgetting that under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah,
my order!
Seasons come and go, but the truth remains.
Oh no, Your Majesty, I want to thank you and the choosers here, especially for keeping this secret for a long time and for helping me actualize these findings.
Your Majesty, you don't need to thank us. You are a very good man. So there's no way we could have allowed evil to befall you or your household. We only played our roles.
So let us drink to this victory.
Anaya wataya namba ogo namba ogwanya roro wanya kagabwe isiga poise no wanya kagabo waya wadi kwebu kaiwere waya
Igwe, this one enter. Just from inside there.
My prince, this my own looks sleeve-fitted. I'm an elder, Okay, so no. It's okay. Yeah. Your Majesty, this one smells good. This wine is sweet. Where did you buy this?
This is for you. Thank you, Mike. Yeah.
So let us toast. Long life and good health.
Cheers.
Cheers, Pop.
Even though I started drinking my own.
Oh.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah. My prince.
Yes.
Cheers, Father.
No,
This one smells good. This one smells good.
Your Majesty, you must have imported this.
Yes.
Do you know where I felt it? in my heart.
The cook is also preparing something delicious.
Is that so? We're not going home.
Oti, please tell the cook to hurry up.
No, I'm hungry. We are not going home again now.
You also want to have more drinks.
I will take more.
Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they are sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, see what you've caused. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday, so why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Hey, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they are sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, see what you've caused. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday, so why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special? Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what no Anaya bataya number The throne is never for free, but the crown is neither for sale. The mystery goes beyond what your eyes can see. The price is higher than what your mind can save. And I am a Tayanike. And I am a Tayanike. No, but just and I am what I am. And I am what I am. Upon your no one, Isiga boys and one yakaka. Wayo, Wadi Quebo. Kai were wayo, Ivo Wanaka Quaga, you know gonna. Marenia wayo. Mame busy now, I see me busy now, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On your Billy Baramuwe, you were them, they go down for a time. I want my donate. You did come at the door, or going you know who come at the door. I don't want you. I jump my dog, I don't want you.